Good morning everyone, my name is Cheryl B. Dalida from BSED Science 2A, and for today's lesson we are going to learn what are the syntheses of physical, cognitive, and socio-emotional development of primary schoolers. Well, primary schoolers, this is the stage between 6 to 12 years old. Children in this stage receive less attention than children in infancy of early childhood. The support of the family and friends of the child is very important during this phase of development. Primary schoolers are experiencing some physical development in their body, and physical development refers to the advancement and refinements of motor skills, or in other words, children's abilities to use and control their bodies. It relates to the growth and skill development of the body, including the brain, muscles, and senses. What are these physical development? Height is increasing 2 inches per year. Their weight is also increasing about 6.5 pounds per year. Their hearing is also developing. Their eyesight is also developing and having a good muscle control and coordination. They also develop their eye and hand coordination. They also develop their good personal hygiene, just like brushing their teeth, and being aware of good safety habits, just like knowing the importance of crossing in pedestrian lane. Cognitive development is also experienced by primary schooler, and cognitive development means the growth of a child's ability to think and reason. There are 3 examples of cognitive development in primary schooler. First is the logic, second is deductive, and number 3 is reversibility. First one is logic. It refers to the child thinking from a specific experience to a general principles. For example, child is playing a cat or dog, and then later on they will feel that they have their runny nose, and later on they will think and they will conclude that they have allergic on cats and dogs. The second one is deductive. Deductive refers to the thinking from a general principle to determine the outcome of a specific event. Just like, for example, the child may understand that A is equals to B and B is equals to C, but may have difficulties in understanding that A is equals to C. The last one is what we call the reversibility. The child learns that some things that have been changed can be returned to their original state. Just like, for example, the child may be able to count onwards, just like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and they will be able to count it backwards, just like 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Socio-emotional development is very common in primary schoolers. This development includes the child's experience, expressions, and management of emotions and the ability to establish positive and rewarding relationship with others. Just like in terms of social interaction, children begin to develop a sense of pride in their accomplishment and abilities. They are also capable of performing increasingly complex tasks, just like solving mathematical problems and solving rubric cubes. The child who are encouraged and commended by parents and teachers develop feeling of competences and belief in their skills, while child who receive little or no encouragement from parents, teachers, and their peers will doubt their ability to be successful. I think this is the end of my slide. Thank you for listening.